Friday, May 31st. I bit the bullet and bought a guitar, and it's been delivered in this big box. Time to open. Oh, and it has a little note. So they did open it, and it's been packed. And it's been set up just for me. Well, that's nice. Let's stay in touch. Sure. Need to make a return? You can return your items online. And I guess this would be a receipt. Ah, yes. This is what they packed the booze in when I got some. This is some heavy-duty stuff. Oh, here we go. All right. About to unleash it. Yeah, there it is.
It's dark.
Pretty color.
It is pretty.
And now to see how it sounds.